Alright, mates, and here we have your 24 scale Ford Interceptor sedan, the Taurus, black slick top that you wanted. As you can see, the front door is still open on this, as well as the hood. So all those features still operate like they did when it was still in the box. Just noticed this, well, I didn't just notice it, just thought about it. That red light, or what's supposed to be a light in the vent. If you want me to black that out, let me know, or I can add blue to it. This one over here has blue. So either way, I can either make them both blue or black them both out, however you want to do that. I didn't even think about that being red the entire time, even though this one has no red lighting on it. So interior, nothing was done to it. You see you have a laptop in there, though, along with the decal light. Did a little bit of on the radio that's in there. There's not a whole lot of features to the inside of this one. The antennas that you wanted, the little stub antenna on the roof, puck antenna on the trunk, along with a short antenna here. If you want me to, I can trim that off to an inch or so long. However you want that done, just let me know and I can do that for you. Switches are to control everything on the bottom. This middle push button right here is for your power. This one on the passenger side will control the patterns of the front and rear visor lighting. Actually, rear deck and front visor. This one over here is your siren button. Each press that'll give you a different siren tone. So we'll go ahead and turn this on. You can see your blues and whites in the front. Again, the white left one will illuminate with the two blue right ones. And go through a simultaneous. It's a good constant pattern to those. But anyway, I'll show you that in just a second. Flashing headlights. And on the rear you have your flashing taillights. And then also the same setup on the rear deck, the blue and whites. Again, it looks like it misses a pattern or a flash every now and then. It's just my camera missing it. Again, the right white light will flash with the two blue left lights. So we can hit this one time here, this bottom switch. Hit this once, and that locks it into one of the triple flash modes. Hit it again, it's a simultaneous flash, which really messes my camera up. Front and rear have the same patterns to them. Hit it again, it's a slow triple flash wigwag, or triple strobe, actually, wigwag pattern on that. You can see how it looks in the front as well. Pretty cool looking light setup on this. Your interior work light, again you can see your MDT in there a little bit better now. The siren button, again on the driver's side. Each press is going to give you a different tone. Alright, talking about the switch for the patterns as well, you can turn those off completely if you want to. I think 3 presses. Let's see, let's turn it all the way off and back on. We'll go through these real quick. First, that just runs through all of the different patterns when you first turn it on. Then each time you hit the selector switch, it will lock in one of the patterns. And then the 4th press turns it off completely. So you can have just your interior light and flashing lights if you want on this. That is, if you want to. Of course, your siren will still work with that if you want. So there you have it. Turn this back on here. There's the pattern I like the best, the slower wigwag. I appreciate the order. And like I said, we'll get it taken care of, or got it taken care of for you, and promised it to you by the end of the month. And there we go. You're going to have it, should have it by then, unless the post office screws up. So I appreciate it, man. And like I said, get on that Explorer, try to get it fixed for you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.